Hello, friends. My name is Kalsi from Kalsi Estate and father of a wonderful son and husband of a caring woman. And our today's topic is our Lokhandwala construction, and the building is Lokhandwala Minerva, which is at South Mumbai, which is one of the best projects. I'm into industry from last 25 years into real estate industry, and my purpose is to serve rather than to sell. And let me tell you, I was on a break for 7 to 10 days because my back pain. So it is recovering slowly. So again, I'm back, and let's start with the show. So friends, Lokhandwala Minerva is one of the very luxurious tower, and it is in Mahalakshmi in South Mumbai. And the tower is totally around 90-story tower with 10 level of podium parking, and it has two level of lobby entrance. So basically there are 10 level and two levels. So there is habitual floor is total 88 floor habitual floor. So you can imagine the height of the tower, and the sizes and all will come to it slowly. But the tower is very spacious, and the builder developer is very branded developer. Lokhandwala, everybody knows about it. Lokhandwala infrastructure, and the tower name is Minerva. So initially, tower was designed a U-turn from top. You can see from here it's a U-turn. So slight changes is there. Now they have made it a rectangle from here due to some technical reason. So now they have made rectangle from here. Will come further on the elevation of the building. So this is how the elevation of the building is here. So on the top they have made this portion rectangle, and this is how the tower is now. This looks actually more elegant and more better than the previous one, and it's more sober also. And the tower looks also very spacious from outside. And these are all below. These are parkings over here, and front side there is around 10 levels parking is there, and all the facilities like swimming pool, health club, everything is all on the height of the 10th floor on the podium level. So there are two level entrance lobbies there. बेसिकली ये टावर एलिवेशन जो है, ये ऐसे एलिवेशन बिल्डिंग जब कंप्लीट होगी तो बिल्कुल ऐसी लुक आएगा बिल्डिंग का. और जब 90 स्टोरी टावर है तो डेफिनेटली अबाव 50th फ्लोर आप जो नीचे आप देखेंगे, स्पेशली इन द रेनी सीजन, यू कैन सी द क्लाउड्स. यू आर अबाउ द क्लाउड आफ्टर 40-50th फ्लोर. So and in the June season, before June season, when the summer is there, that time, winter and summer, you can see the open Mumbai view, all over the Mumbai view and Arabian Sea view. You can see even the race course view, which I'll be showing you further. So tower is very fantastic designed, and the elevation is also very good. So this is again the elevation of the tower. You can see how it's coming out from it's going out from the cloud to the sky basically. So it's crossing the cloud. You can, people who love this type of atmosphere to stay, I mean, it's very good for them. You are in the city, at the same time you are outside the city also. So it's like your home and plus a second home also. So it's very fantastic designed. And ऐसा नहीं कि ये क्लाउड हमेशा रहेगा, मतलब only in rainy season you can see this cloud. When the monsoon is there, when the winter is there, you can see the city also below, and you can see the race course also, which is in Mahalakshmi, and you can see the Arabian Sea also. तो ये क्लाउड हमेशा नहीं रहेगा, मतलब ये व्यू will keep on changing. So sometime you will get this type of view also. You will get, जैसा आप देख रहे हैं सामने जो है ये ग्रीन कलर का, this is race course, and there is an Arabian Sea over here, this side over here. So half the portion you can see the Mumbai city, and half the portion you can see Arabian City, and there is a race course. बिल्कुल खुला view है. This is the deck from the flat area. तो आप देख सकते हो हर एक फ्लैट के साथ एक लार्ज डेक दिया हुआ है. इट्स अ वेरी बिग डेक where you can keep two to three chairs. You can keep a small tea table over here. You can keep some plantation over here, and it's an open to sky. I mean, there is no building in front. Its distance is very clear from there. Then again, this is a view from the building itself. There's maybe this view could have taken from the drone drone view where from 90th floor you can see basically this type of open view. This is not exactly, you can say, 90th floor. If I imagine this would be I think so, from 60th floor or 50th floor view. If you go on 90th floor, then basically these buildings will come below, and you can see all over the corner of the Mumbai area, so, right on the towards the Kulaba and Worli side over here. So again, when as per my assumption, this is the city view from the 60th floor, or ये Arabian Sea है, और this is race course. So this is again the entrance of the building, where you see there's a spacious entries there, and there's a ramp as well as there's a car lift also to go on the any floor to park wherever you get the parking according to your flat. So there's a ramp also, and there's a lift also, automatic lift to take the car up exactly where the parking place is. So friend, this is the picture of the grand lobby entrance, and you can see the height. It's more than, I think so, 20 feet height, and it's a two-story podium parking they have taken into this lobby entrance. And with the entrance itself, you can imagine the luxury quality of the building. And of course, the architect of this building is Hafiz Contractor. So you can imagine the Hafiz Contractor is one of the branded architecture. And interior designings are all done by the HBA company, which is Singapore design company. JW is for consultants, and again like for lighting also, there is a Ministry of Light. Lighting is designed by this company, and the contractor is Larsen and Turbo. So you can imagine the quality of the building and the construction quality. Even the developer is branded developer. So definitely what you are seeing in the picture, you will get the same thing, even better than this you will be getting it. Again, this is the lobby entrance, and there are different lifts. I think so 3 lifts are there, 3 to 4 lifts are there. And this is the entrance, lobby entrance, and it looks very spacious and very elegant and very, very dynamic and very, very spacious, and it looks very royal basically. So here there are 2 wings are there, A wings and B wings. There are two wings are there. So I think so this lift is basically for 2 wings over here. And again, this is the lobby of the building, and they have named the flat A, B, C, D. They have named this way. So again, this is very elegant lobby. This is inside the picture of the sample flat, where you can see like one of the bedroom is converted into a living and a study table. So nowadays work from home is very common, and of course the people staying in this type of building gentry will be of course very good. And secondly, it's extra space where they are providing maybe for a children to study, or there's a sofa where it could be taken as a meeting room also, or it can be utilized as for children also, or even a work from home, it can be utilized for that purpose also. Again, dining space is very spacious. It's centralized AC, flat is centralized AC, and dining space is very spacious. This is the living room area, where you see there's a divan, there's a sofa, and of course opposite side there will be a TV unit which where we are taking the image from that position. So it's shown there's a living, there's a divan, and there's extra sofa also on the left hand side. Even the building height, the ceiling height is more than 10 feet inside, so the quality is extra very good quality. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे अगेन बेडरूम क्वालिटी इज वेरी गुड. बेसिकली द साइजेस आर वेरी बिग. आप तो खर्चा जितना भी इंटीरियर में करोगे उतना कम है. बेसिकली द साइजेस आर वेरी बिग. ये गार्डन और लॉन जो अपर पोडियम लेवल का जो है उसका इमेज दिखाया हुआ है. दिस स्विमिंग पूल अगेन ऑन द पोडियम लेवल. There is a gym, proper gym with all the amenities, and this is basically a floor plan for both the wings. Now there are different sizes of flats are there, which I will, before going on the floor plan, I will just share the WordPress file to you. So as you can see here, I have shared before we go on the floor plan. I'll just show you the sizes of the flat. Basically, as you know, Lokhandwala Minerva is the tallest icon, and it's a 90-story. It's in South Mumbai, Mahalakshmi. You can see the race course. You can see the Arabian Sea. In fact, you can see the whole over Mumbai from there. So 3 BHK is also all sold out in this building. So now what they have is 3.5 BHK, and they have 2 types of 4 BHK. So 3.5 BHK is 2058 square feet carpet with the deck area, and the price is total package it is 13 crore including 2 parking, and parking is to and fro parking. It is not like stack parking, एक के ऊपर एक वैसा parking नहीं है. It is to and fro या side by side में parking है, where you can easily take the car out from the parking. Again 4 BHK is 2019 square feet with deck area 278. That is 270 is included in 2019, and the total cost is 12.50 CR. This includes everything: stamp duty, registration, society charges, everything is included in this. And the second 4 BHK area is 2136 square feet, which includes the deck area, and total package goes to 15 CR. So in amenities wise, you have a grand lobby entrance, grand triple height air conditional lobby. So I was thinking it was double height, but it's a triple height. That's why the lobby was looking so elegant and grand entrance, like a 7-star hotel. So they have a swimming pool. They have a limited amenities, but all good quality amenities. And then full equipped gym is there, steam and jacuzzi is there. Gazebo is basically it's a center tower in the complex where you can see the whole complex view from that tower, which is placed in the center. So gazebo, I think so. It's the same thing which I mean to say. Cricket pitch is there, basketball net is there, jogging track, grand banquet hall. Creche. Now creche is a place where you keep the kids at home and the parents who goes out for working. So it's basically a kids. You can say it's a children play area or kids play area where you keep the children at that place, and parents can go, and then when they come 4-5 o'clock at home or 6 o'clock, they can take the child home. So basically, it's a kids taking care area. It's called creche. Then sit out for senior citizenship, and there's a car wash, centralized car wash facility is there, and of course the deck is there from 17th floor onward. Observational deck on the 77th floor. Okay, so deck is there on every floor, but there is an observation deck on the 77th floor. So let's go back to the PPT. Now coming back to the floor plan, this is a wing A tower. This is a floor plan of wing A, and we have a floor plan of tower A1, that is B tower, which we say A and A1. So one is A1 and one is A and other one is A1. So A and B tower, you can say. So there are different sizes as per this tower. You can see the A tower and the B tower. So suppose we take A1. So here you can see there are 3 flats are there. One is over here, 1 and 2 and 3. So there are 3 flats with 2 staircase and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lift is there. And this is the lift lobby entrance over here. So there are 5 lifts, and I think so there are 2 more lifts which could be a service lift over here. And now we should start with this flat, 1 number flat over here. So here it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK flat, and 2 are attached, 3 are attached, and 1 has a common washroom over there. I mean all are attached, and one common washroom is over here. So all 4 are attached, and there is a huge dining space over here, kitchen, and this is the entrance. Our entrance also here there is a small, you can say it's a storage place over here. So coming to this flat is slightly different. Decks are there on all the flat. These long decks are there which connect with the bedroom from second bedroom and with the hall, living room also. And here also this is a large deck which connects with 1 bedroom. Then from the kitchen also you can go out to the deck, even from the living room, and from the 2 bedroom. This flat is again, it has a different style, different shape, but the designing is absolutely very good. Here also designing is also very good. Here also unique design is there, and after that here also unique design is there. स्पेशली ऐसे टाइप के टावर में जहाँ पर इसको हम लोग टी शेप और ट्रायंगुलर आउटकट जैसा होता है, जैसे प्रोजेक्शन यहाँ से बाहर निकला हुआ है, प्रोजेक्शन यहाँ से बाहर निकला हुआ है, एक प्रोजेक्शन यहाँ से बाहर निकला हुआ है। तो ऐसे टाइप के टावर में क्या होता है, प्राइवेसी होती है। यहाँ से कोई आपको सामने कोई डिस्टेंस में कोई बिल्डिंग नहीं होगा। अगेन यहाँ पर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस में कुछ नहीं होगा, और यहाँ पर भी डेक में कोई डिस्टेंस में कुछ नहीं होगा। प्लस यहाँ पर क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन ऐसे फ्लैट्स में ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है। अगेन यहाँ पर भी वैसे ही है, जैसे आप ऑपोजिट साइड में देख रहे हो वैसे यहाँ पर क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन इज वेरी गुड। नाउ फॉर द साइजेस, एग्जैक्ट साइजेस, विच इज द लार्जर वन एंड विच इज द स्मॉलर वन, there is hardly any difference in 4 BHKs. I think so 100 square feet or maybe 150 square feet carpet difference is there. So this bedroom here this one looks more larger. So this could be more than 2090 square feet or something like that. So when you come here, there's a large living room, and then kitchen, and then 1 bedroom, 2nd bedroom, 3rd bedroom, and 4th bedroom. This bedroom looks very large over here. It could be around, this bedroom could be around, I should say around 250 square feet carpet. So this is very large. Maybe bigger than that, maybe 250, maybe 300 carpet. So that we have to check with the developer. So this is all about Minerva, लोखंडवाला Minerva. तो दोस्तों ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रोजेक्ट है, और इसका पोजीशन रेरा के हिसाब से 2023 में है, पर मेरे हिसाब से 50 या 60 फ्लोर तक का इनका पोजीशन ऐसा है कि 1 साल पहले ही दे देंगे 2022 तक ऑन जून, और बाकी का जो फ्लोर है वो 2023 जून या मे बी दिसंबर तक दे देंगे एज पर द रेरा. So if your budget is good and if you're looking for something very spacious and very glamorous and very, if you want to stay in the South Mumbai, where image of Minerva.